One of the most important lessons I ever learned from adopting a fundamental approach to fitness was understanding that almost everything in fitness isn't about what you do or what you don't do. It's rather instead the speed at what you do and the rate things are occurring. For example, there's a very big difference between working out once a week and working out several times a week, or doing 100 push-ups in an hour, or doing 100 push-ups in a month. And the same thing goes for diet too. I used to plow through a pint of Ben & Jerry's in, well, I'm proud to say, a matter of minutes if pressure was on. But now I'll eat the same ice cream, same amount, over the course of a week. And understanding that everything comes down to a rate of speed is incredibly powerful for giving you more control and freedom over your healthy lifestyle. Because a lot of the dogmatic, confining advice you get out there about diet and exercise is about start doing this and stop doing that. It's black or it's white, telling you to go from one extreme or the other, when most of us should most of the time be in that gray area, and most importantly, be able to move around in that gray area, speeding up certain habits and slowing other things down. And remember, fundamentally, everything you need to have happen to get the results you want is already happening. You're already burning fat. You already have protein synthesis. Your body's already adapting to function better against its environmental stimuli. Everything about that process has been happening since day one and will continue to happen. You don't need to do anything. What we do when we change our diet or change our workout a little bit is we're just simply influencing the rate at which that process happens, which is why certain habits can bring better results. I do hope that gives you some flexibility and empowers you to make better options and choices by slowing down the things that are detrimental to your goals and just slightly turning up and speeding up the things that will help you out so you can find your own speed in your circumstances to get the best results and maintain them as well. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this, like it, subscribe down below for more and more videos here. Thank you so much for watching. Be fit and live free.